Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my Fabfitfun unboxing for spring. I just got my box a couple of days ago and I know there's a ton of videos already on YouTube about Fabfitfun for spring, but I did get some extras in mine, so hopefully mine will be a little bit different than the ones that you've seen. So if you guys want to see all of the goodies that I got and a giveaway at the end, then just keep watching. Alright, so this is my box right here. It is super colorful and the value of this box is pretty incredible. I'm going to put it down below in the description box because I don't remember the exact price, but I know it's worth a lot. So the first thing I have is from a company called Summer and Rose. It says it's more than a phase, and this is a candle. You guys know I love my candles. I'm burning one right now. I am burning, which one? Cinnamon Sugar Donut, which I love. But this one is Love by the Moon. The packaging is really pretty. And this one smells, this one just like brings me back to when I was like 6, 7, or 8. Because my grandmother had a scent that was very similar to this. It kind of smells like Olay products mixed with like baby powder. But for some reason it just brings me back and I really do love this scent. I guess it won't be for everyone, but it has that baby powdery scent that I do enjoy. So this is what the candle looks like and I really like that a lot. So I got that. Also from Summer and Rose, I got the Nourishing Body Oil. So this is the packaging. It's the same brand, and this one, let's see, our new Summer and Rose Nourishing Body Oil restores the moisture to your sun-kissed glow with a luxurious blend of aloe, chamomile, and rose oil. Ooh, the packaging is so cute. So this is what it looks like. It looks freaking huge. And it has a dropper, and then it has rose petals on the inside. So I'll definitely be trying this out. I love body oils. The next thing I have is by the same brand. So this is Summer and Rose Winter Bath Bombs. So it looks like they are gold. They have really pretty like foiled packaging on them of like gold. And this smells like winter, so I don't know if I would use this in the spring or the summer because it has a very like cinnamon applesaucey scent. It just smells like winter or like Christmas time to me. So maybe I'll save this. I wish it had like more of like a spring scent, but it definitely smells like cinnamon sticks, but it smells good. It's just definitely not for spring. I have the Way Hair Care. This is a leave-in conditioner. They do sell this at Sephora, and I have not tried this out yet. So it says it's a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. I'll be giving this a try for sure because I just feel like my hair needs a little bit more smoothness and softness. So I got this from Way. I think this is pretty pricey too. Next we have measuring spoons. This is from Gia Dizzy. I don't know how to pronounce that. Gadazy? I don't know. So this is what they look like, and I don't know, they're just measuring spoons. This is just like one of those like fun things for the kitchen. So just copper measuring spoons. Next we have a necklace. This is really pretty. This is from the brand The Two Bandits, and it's a silver necklace with a really pretty like stone. Kind of looks like an opal stone in the middle. It's definitely pretty. It's probably going to be going in the giveaway though, just because I don't wear silver too much. I wear more gold. It is nice. I like the opal, but I don't wear silver. I have a ring that's silver. Actually, it's white gold, but I don't know. I like gold over silver. Okay, the next thing I have are a pair of sunglasses from Key, Australia. And you could choose 2 different styles. And I got the My Girl ones. So this is what they look like. They are black. They do have little accents of silver in it, but it's not too prominent. So these are what they look like. And I already have, they're freaking huge. I already have 2 pairs of the My Girl glasses, so I know I like the style, but it is pretty large. It's pretty big. That's what she said, but they are like pretty big. And I don't wear my glasses up here. I just don't. I wear them like here because I feel like it makes my nose look smaller. So that's where I like to wear them. Everyone always says, put your sunglasses up. But I'm like, absolutely not. I would never. But this is a really great value because I think these go for $65. So I got those. The next thing I got is from Daily Concepts, and this is a daily detox massaging brush. It has 100% natural bristles. So this is basically like a brush you can use in the shower to like exfoliate with before you shave your legs. So I'm gonna try this out today. I haven't shaved my legs in a few weeks now, to be honest. You know when it gets like winter time and you just don't feel like it and you don't really have a need to shave your legs? well, that's me. So I'm gonna use this and then I'm gonna shave my legs and it's gonna be great. The next product I have is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Needles No More, No More Baggage. It is an eye depuffing gel. So it visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles. So Dr. Brandt is a really good brand, really good skincare brand. The products do really work. I think I already have this though, so this will be going in the giveaway. Next thing I have is the Champagne Charcoal Scrub, and this is from Manicadar. So it's an exfoliant champagne charbon. I don't know. Detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oil to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. So this is what the packaging looks like. I kind of want to smell it. Okay, I can't open this, so I don't know what it smells like, but it literally looks like charcoal. So I'll be using this too. So I got this probably to use with the brush wherever it went. Alright, the last thing I got is probably my most exciting thing that I got in this box. This is from Show Me Your Moo, and it is a robe, and it's super pretty. I think this goes for like $75 or $80, something crazy like that, but it is a rose printed floral lightweight robe. So pretty. I'm gonna bring this on vacation with me. It's very tropical and airy and lightweight. I have a couple of robes, but they're so thick and warm for the winter that I don't have like a springtime one. So I'll be bringing this with me, and I haven't unraveled it just because I want to pack it in my suitcase, but it's so pretty, so I love this. Alright, and now I'm going to just do a mini giveaway just on some things that I don't necessarily need, so maybe one of you will get more use out of it. So the first thing in the giveaway will be the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So you'll get this. I'm going to give away this necklace as well. So it's a little silver chain necklace, and it has that opal stone in the middle. And then the last thing I'm going to give away, because I don't necessarily need right now, I don't have a bathtub to take baths. So this is from Summer Rose, and it is the Winter Bath Bombs. It does smell good. Like I said, it is not a spring or summer scent, but it smells like cinnamon, and if you enjoy baths, then you'll probably really like this. So this will be in the giveaway. All you have to do is go follow me on my Instagram and let me know in the comments down below that you're following me with your handle. That's all you have to do. And I'll pick a random person in 2 weeks, and that will be that. So, little giveaway, just a mini one. I do want to do more giveaways soon, of like a big giveaway, because I haven't done one in a while. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my Fabfitfun unboxing. I'm going to link it down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!